Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today it's the Mercedes C Class and what the tyre pressure should be. This is on a Mercedes C180 model. On this particular model, the tyre pressure chart is on the inside of the fuel filler cap. Always check the tyre pressures when the tyres are cold, as after you've driven this will warm the tyres and increase the tyre pressures. So if you have a light load of 3 people and some luggage, it recommends 30 psi on the front tyres and 33 psi on the rear tyres. If you have a heavy load of 5 people and lots of luggage, it recommends 35 psi on the front tyres and 41 psi on the rear tyres. If you have a chart with multiple tyre variations, then you need to match that to what tyres you have. So this model has a 205/55 R16s. Now all you need to do is go round to all 4 tyres and pump those up to the correct pressures. Today we're using an electronic tyre pump which has tyre pressure gauge built in. As you can see, this rear driver's side tyre is too low, so we'll pump this one up and then check the other 3 tyres. Right, time for a nice cup of tea. We hope that was useful. There are some other useful C-Class videos around the edge of the screen. Safe driving to you. Many thanks for watching.
I love that.